All right, everybody, we have finally made it to the Freedom Factory. So once again, we're doing something the same, but a little bit different this time. Drew's here. He's my personal chauffeur on the DAX for the weekend. But yes, so AMSOIL is the sponsor for the very first Summernats USA. Pretty excited to be here. There's gonna be some drag racing, some burnouts, some concerts, some fireworks, and I'm pretty excited about all of this. So we're gonna take you guys along, do another little POV of kind of what's happening over here. It's my first time kind of being back at a drag strip and like a burnout competition since the UCC days. I am so excited. Babe, are you excited?
Yeah, super pumped. I wanted to come to this event before I knew anyone else was coming. This is just, Summernats is a cool event, and I wanted to check it out down in Australia. Obviously never got that opportunity. So the fact that we can do it here in the USA is awesome.
Well, we've already got some cars lining up right over here.
That's a ute.
Oh, look at that.
They're holding utes. Look at right-hand drive holding utes. How cool is that?
Wow.
Wow.
This is awesome.
Huh.
All right, flip this back around.
Oh,
so,
Burnouts over there.
Burnouts happening already, drag racing happening. We'll keep you guys posted. See you soon.
Damn it, I love a 12 valve.
Ooh, the ice cream truck.
You want to see it up close?
Yeah, I do. All right, Seth, let us know about the ice cream truck.
This is Frosty. It's a 1969 International Metromite. We've basically just completely rebuilt it. New frame, new cantilever suspension, powertrain products, 408, BDS blower, FTI power glide. This is maiden voyage, so we just went and did a test on Skid Row, knocked the tire off it. Everything's going good. We got the invitational at 8 o'clock tonight. We're gonna hope everything holds together.
So what are we working with down in here?
It's a 408 LS 871 mechanically injected LS. It's 850, 900 wheel horse. It's got an engine cover that goes over it during competition, and it's a different animal.
I love this. Well, Seth, thank you so much showcasing this. You guys, we're gonna go thumbs up. Perfect. Sound just as cool as Brooke. There he is. Did you pick yourself up a smoothie? Yeah, he did. All right, can we take a moment to, one, enjoy that sunset, two, Drew and I are here. We got some earplugs in because it's pretty loud out now, but they are doing the $5,000 purse. All right, we are going to head out for the evening. I don't know if I can hear anything, but I do have earplugs in, so we're okay. Solid day one for a Thursday even.
Yeah.
Pretty excited about this. I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow. Maybe grab some coffee, head over to the beach, we don't know. It takes about 30 minutes to go like 6 miles, so we'll see what happens, and we'll see you guys in the morning.
Top end says left-hand side will get there. 55.96 miles an hour. Doing 52 and a half miles an hour.
I got him. I can do it in the decks.
On the
No, you
right-hand
can't.
side.
Oh, easily. All
think
day long.
so?
Oh yeah, all day long. I know my top speed is higher than that. I just don't know if I can get there in an eighth mile. So, who do we need to talk to get this to
As I
happen?
mentioned earlier, they are set up.
That's
as a
awesome.
freedom
That's
factory.
awesome. It's not me though, because I want to try. I want to race with you.
We're kicking things off. David's back here. We're gonna go film some things, look at some neat cars, talk to some cool people, see what we can get into.
10 minutes later.
So anytime that somebody says I can come sign their vehicle, and of course, put a T-Stone Enterprise decal on it, I'm gonna do it over here. All right, what's your name, sir?
I'm James Robertson.
James Robertson. What are we working with? What is this whole setup over here?
This is my custom-built 1996 Chevrolet Tahoe 6.0-liter LS swapped, 4L80E. Everything was custom built and designed by myself. The interior's fully custom from front to back. Got everything audio you can think of, except not too much.
Wait, what are we doing down here now? All right, so you said I could put this on there and hold it? Okay, I'm gonna switch. I never usually give my microphone, but let's switch it off.
Here we got my 1996 Tahoe I've been working on since I was 16 years old. I have slowly gotten everything put together over time. The interior is definitely the coolest part of the whole deal.
I love this. You gotta hold this one more time.
Yeah,
Look at
give
this
me a
up.
sticker on there. Hey, right back here's the best spot because this window don't move. That way everybody can see it whenever. Yeah, boy.
Right here, or do you want back here?
Anywhere you want it. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much. Well,
If
awesome.
you get a chance and you're around, come check it out more. The inside is immaculate. You'd think it just came off a showroom floor.
Oh man, can I get in there?
You're absolutely.
All right, hold on. We're doing it. We're doing big things in here. Here, let me take that from you. We're gonna show what's going on in here. This is nice. Oh.
I got ghosts.
I mean, you guys.
You guys,
Thank
for
you.
entertaining me for just a
No.
moment.
Thank you.
love it.
Listen, my name is Tiffany Stone.
Tiffany Stone.
Everybody calls me T-Stone, and a thing that I like to do is let everybody know that you are T-Stone approved now.
I am way T-Stone approved now.
Woohoo!
Thank you guys. Remember, Summernats 2026, y'all. Ha-ha.
All right, we're back again. We're gonna go look at some burnouts. The storm is coming through though, so not sure what's gonna happen there. But Drew's been driving us around. David's still back there, hanging out. All right, let's go this way. Perfect. Got a front row view. What's happening? So glad I have earplugs once again. David's still hanging out over here, messing with the camera. We're waiting for the next person. That boat was pretty awesome. Super excited. Like I said, we got a front row view for this whole entire thing. It looks great. Shout out to AMSOIL once again for this amazing experience. David, how are you having fun? How are you having fun? Are you having fun?
This is so awesome. I hope we avoid the rain. That's my.
Don't say that. You're never supposed to say the R word in racing or burnouts. No R word in racing or burnouts.
A few moments later.
The rain's coming, but our Uber is here. Get in, get in. All right, as you can tell, we are back in the 450. It's raining, it's pouring.
The old man is snoring.
The old man is snoring. We realize that no matter what, the rain's still coming. They're not going to be able to get the drag strip like prepped. Obviously, the burnout pit as well. Nothing's really going to happen. So we're calling it early for a day. Gonna go eat some dinner, and we'll be back tomorrow. So see you guys in the morning. All right, day 3. We're back at it again, back at the Freedom Factory. It's a beautiful day. Last night, unfortunately, the event did get shut down because of the rain. So something that they did that was really cool, that if you had a Friday only ticket, now it was available for Saturday as well. Love that. I love when events and businesses do something like that, especially if you only had enough money for one day. But we're heading back out. The guys are up there. Drew's driving us around again. David's over here. We're gonna go talk to some people, see what we can get into. I got my high-vis vest on today. Like I said, on the back it says media. Hell yeah, brother. So lots of cool cars coming through. This is the view for right now. I've got some flags. We've got some people. Look at his overalls. Woo! Love those overalls. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens today. We're heading back to Skid Row. Be right back. So we made it back to Skid Row right over here. I've got my sunnies on, my hats on. Tires. We're gonna see some smoke. The fans are just absolutely loving it right now. What would you rate that out of?
Probably an 8. He only got one tire down. The other tire go down.
That's it?
Yeah.
What would you rate it out of 10? 9? Better than the last one?
Yeah, you got both tires down.
Oh, okay.
It's a scale.
Not gonna lie, that was pretty sweet. What are your thoughts? Hold on. I'll tell you what my rating is. What's your rating?
That pit's way slicker than I think he thought it was because he came in way too quick and smoked that one. You can see the damage on his right rear.
I hope you guys all enjoyed that. Just made it back home in time to head out to Moab in just a little bit, celebrating Drew's birthday. We're gonna take the bikes and I think take the 110s out and do some trails that normally I would do in my Jeep, but we're gonna do it and celebrate his birthday a little bit out there. But you guys, thank you so much for following along. Like I always say, this is your last chance to like, subscribe, share the content. Let me know down below some cool events that I should probably check out in 2026. You guys have the best ideas, so thank you so much. And always, you know, I love you guys being here. You are all T-Stone approved. And you know what? I'll see you guys on the next one.